The Wagon R VXI 2025 continues Maruti Suzuki's legacy of offering reliable, spacious, and fuel-efficient hatchbacks tailored for Indian roads. Known for its tallboy design and practicality, the 2025 model enhances its appeal with updated styling, improved features, and refined performance. The VXI variant strikes a balance between affordability and convenience, making it ideal for families and urban commuters. Exterior design. Bold and functional, the 2025 Wagon R retains its tallboy silhouette, now with sharper body lines and a slightly more aerodynamic look. Front fascia, the redesigned grille and updated halogen headlamps give it a more mature presence. Wheels and dimensions. It comes with 14-inch steel wheels with wheel covers and increased ground clearance 170 mm, making it well suited for city driving and occasional rough patches. Tail lamps. The rear features a vertically stacked tail lamp cluster with subtle changes for a modern touch. Interior and comfort. Spacious cabin. One of Wagon R's biggest strengths is its interior space. The tall stance provides excellent headroom, and the legroom is generous for both front and rear passengers. Upholstery. The VXI variant gets dual-tone fabric upholstery with better cushioning and finish compared to the base model. Dashboard. The dashboard design is clean, with a functional layout and improved plastics compared to previous models. Infotainment. It features a 7-inch SmartPlay Studio touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary, and steering-mounted audio controls. However, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are reserved for higher variants. Performance and engine. Engine options. The VXI variant is powered by a 1.0 LK10C dual-jet petrol engine. Displacement. 998 cubic centimeters power, 66 bhp at 5,500 rpm. Torque, 89 nanometers at 3,500 rpm. Transmission, available with both 5-speed manual and AGS auto gear shift for a clutch-free driving experience. Ride quality. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort. It handles speed bumps and potholes well, although high-speed cornering remains average. Fuel efficiency. Mileage. Claimed mileage stands at, manual, 25.19 km LAGS, 25.10 km L. Real-world figures may vary but generally hover around 20 to 22 km L in mixed driving conditions, which is excellent for daily commutes. Safety features. Standard safety kit, dual front airbags. ABS with EBD. Reverse parking sensors. Hill hold assist only on AGS variant. Speed alert system. Seat belt reminders. Build quality. While Maruti Suzuki has improved safety norms, the Wagon R still uses lightweight materials for better mileage, which affects its crash safety rating. Variants and pricing. The VXI is the mid-variant and offers more features than the LXI but remains cost-effective. Ex-showroom price approximate, 6.0 Indian rupees, 6.5 Indian rupees lakhs subject to change regionally and with transmission choice. Pros and cons. Pros, excellent fuel efficiency. Roomy and practical interior. Easy to drive and park in cities. Affordable maintenance, improved infotainment and features. Cons, no Android Auto Apple CarPlay in VXI. Basic safety structure. Limited highway performance. No rear camera or defogger in VXI variant. Verdict. The Wagon R VXI 2025 remains a top choice in the budget hatchback segment for those who prioritize reliability, fuel economy, and practicality over luxury or sporty performance. It's an ideal pick for first-time car buyers, small families, or as a second city car. While it may not turn heads, it consistently delivers on what truly matters: ease of ownership, comfort, and efficiency.